Hello world. I am PrestigeQuick, aka Jazz, which is funny because today we are doing a keyboard unboxing and the name on here is a Jazz, which I thought was kind of interesting. But we're just gonna unbox this real quick, see how it sounds. I got this one specifically so that I could use it for work. I am going to be doing a data entry job and yeah, I'm gonna be typing all day. So I wanted a keyboard that would be good for typing with. So this is how it looks straight out the box. Looking pretty nice, pretty nice. Got the cap removers. Looks like extra keys. Cool. What we really need to see is this keyboard though. Yeah, we messed with the box. We're just gonna take that stuff out. Let me check on this cord. Looks like we're using USB to Type C, which might be honestly a problem for me. So what I might end up doing is using this keyboard specifically for my streaming setup. I got my baby in here. I might use this for my streaming setup. It's looking nice because that cord is not going to work with my work computer, which is fine. But that's cool. And so far, this is what it looks like. It feels good. Like it feels sturdy. But yeah, it's looking like. You hear it? I'm trying to bring the mic close to it. But it feels like a good keyboard though. Like this feels like a good keyboard. You feel it, EJ? It feels good. But yeah, there you go. This one is a backlit, but it's pretty cool. I like it. And we got the little knob for the volume on the side. I think that's fire. The only thing is with that cord, let's see, actually, does this go USB? Okay, cool. So now this will work for my work computer then. So what I'm gonna do is plug this up here in the back. If it'll let me. So you kind of have to be like really exact with this. You say how it has those indentions on the side there. You gotta kind of be exact when you're putting this in here. But this will work with my work computer, so that's cool. But yeah, that's how it sounds, which is honestly cool. I wanted this for my work computer so that, I feel like I'm back in the 90s working an office job or something, So that's cool. And then, so we got the Type C going in there in the back of it. Then you got your USB. So this will work with my work computer. At first, I thought it was one of just the USB, just the Type C. But that's cool. That's perfect. This is going to work out excellent. Let's actually plug it up so we can see what it looks like with the backlight on. I'm gonna plug it up real quick. I didn't even undo it completely, huh? But hey, so far, for like, how much was this? It was like $40. At first, it was 35, and they upped the price on me. I'm like, bruh, they upped that price on me real quick. But I'm gonna unplug my keyboard that I got right here. Right now, I currently use a Steelseries. This is the keyboard that I currently use. I forgot which one this is, but this is a pretty good keyboard too. I also got this one for like 40. I use this one for my streaming setup, and this one's gonna be for my job. But let me plug this up real quick. Stop it, baby. Hold on. Gonna unplug that one. And we're gonna plug this in real quick so we can see it light up if it decides to. I actually don't even know how to turn on. I think it's FN. I don't know. Let me see if it's even working right now. Yeah, it's not working yet. I don't think there's anything I gotta turn on or switch or anything for this one because this one's just power. Oh, I see. It's not even plugged in all the way. That's why I was like, you gotta be real specific with this right here. There you go. You gotta make sure it's plugged in all the way. Ooh, but that's so nice. Bro, look at that. That is fire, bro. I think I could switch it up too. That's fire. And it's only the blue lights for the background, but I think that's super cute. That's fire, in my opinion. Let me know if y'all would get this. On this one, you just, as soon as you type, it'll pop up blue, but that's fire. I rock with it. I'm glad I got this. It's a good purchase. I think it'll be good to type with all day, every day. I really needed one that had the 9 keys on the side. So this one has a 98 keys. And yeah, my baby even likes it. But yeah, y'all, I appreciate you watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you would get a keyboard like this and what keyboard you currently use. And yeah, I'm going to catch y'all in the next video, fam. God bless. Happy Black History Month. See you in the next video.